Hi, my name is Alex. Welcome to this Millennium Company video introducing our range of hydraulic fittings. Hydraulic fittings are used in a range of industries including oil and gas, construction, industrial, heavy vehicles and machinery, typically in applications that are under high pressure. Therefore, high quality hydraulic fittings are critical for the health and safety of the operators in these industries. MCC is a distributor of Faster's range of hydraulic fittings. Manufactured in Italy, Faster is a brand renowned for their high quality, long-lasting and reliable fittings. MCC is proud to work with Faster to provide our customers with these products. MCC keeps a large proportion of the Faster range in stock, as can be seen in front of me here. For more information on each product, find the respective product videos on our YouTube channel. The full range with images, specification sheets, product videos and information can be all found on our website. Non-stocked items are available for order on request. Faster products can be easily identified. On the side of each fitting there is a part number engraved on the product. The part codes make it easy to identify which series, size and thread type each product has. For example, this item's part number is FHV 0638 Gas F. We can split this part number into three components. FHV is the type of series of hydraulic fitting. 0638 is the size. The first two numbers is the dash size, which is measured in 16ths. Therefore 6/16 being the size of the body. This is followed by the thread size in inches being 3/8. The last component is Gas F, which represents the thread type. Gas F equals BSP female, and other threads can include NPT, SAE, metric, JPT. We encourage you to explore our range of hydraulic fittings on our website at www.mcc-ltd.com.au. For further information, please refer to our specification sheets found on their respective product pages. If you need further help, chat with us online or call us on 1300 853 250, or you can email us at info@mcc-ltd.com.au.